Shout out to Anna and Jay Cousin. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Also, before we begin, I'm super proud of my very good friend Mia. She's located in Melbourne, Victoria, who has launched her own keratin hair treatment product designed by the ground up from her 20 plus years experience in the hairdressing industry. Try her amazing product out and grab yourself 10% off by entering Dawn10 at checkout. Head to our website at coldhaircare.com.au. You'll also get free shipping. Links and information are available in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making a double batch of my very popular shampoo bars, which the oil composition is full percentages that are available in the description, but it's got coconut, olive, argan oil, shea butter, mango butter and castor oil. So that's what is in both these pots. So there's just oils in these pots at the moment. One of them will be tea tree lavender, and the other one will be peppermint and rosemary, both mixed with cedarwood atlas at 1%. And this is the blend of clays that I use, which is 1% each of bentonite, Russell and white Australian clay. And that really helps with the hair as well, draw out all the excess impurities. And this has been a stable recipe for mine, a very accidental recipe. These shampoo bars are suited for normal to dry hair. If you've got oily hair, probably not so much. But dry, oily, sensitive scalp as well, this is a very good recipe. 5% super fat for this. And one of them, actually I'll be doing very new. I've done smaller batches and they've worked out really well. But freshly brewed espresso, which is what's going to be with the lavender and, the peppermint and rosemary, because peppermint and rosemary, what I've been making for my sister is an oil serum for the hair, and it's just argan castor with a little bit of olive and peppermint and rosemary essential oils, and it's helped her hair regrow because she had a little bit of hair loss, and she's been applying it to her eyebrows, and it does really, really good. So I thought, from the reading I've done, caffeine stimulates hair growth just like the peppermint and rosemary. So I thought I'm going to make a shampoo bar that includes all those, so that way it will stimulate the hair growth as well. So I thought, new product, and I thought I'll incorporate, and now that I have a coffee machine, it's very easy for me to do espresso, freshly brewed espresso, which is filtered water, which is, I actually filter the water and I put it in the water tank for the coffee machine, which is really good. And these will be available for sale on the website, both for Australia and international as well. And those of you that are international in USA, Canada, Singapore as well, and New Zealand, that a kilo used to cost, like, especially to the United States, like I think $55 and over to ship, but now there's this new shipping company called Ascendia, which is available through Interparcel, and now for a kilo is under 25, it's about $26, so it works out to be about 16 US to ship a kilo of bars, and 1.5 kilos I think is about $30 to $35, which is really, really good because you can get yourself a whole bunch of bars as well, and it won't be overly expensive for me to ship them to you now, which is excellent. So I thought I'd just give a nice shout out, to those who are my overseas customers, and I don't get too many because I know shipping is overpriced, but you can head to my website and look up details, and everything's calculated at checkout. But I'll also add a table in the international shipping section that will show a breakdown of how much it costs to ship And I only ship bars overseas. I don't ship anything else, just soap, whether it's shampoo, face, or full body. It's just easy with customs and all the paperwork I have to fill out on my end. Maybe I will introduce balms, like lip balms and body balms in future. I just got to work out the HS codes and if there's any issues with shipping balms overseas. I don't think there would be, but I just got to sit down and do the research to make sure that it's all okay. But yes, so I'm just going to stop yanking. Everything's at temperature. I'll just double check everything again. Yes, 34, 35, 33, 33. Okay, perfect. So everything is at the appropriate temperature. I'm going to add the clays blended in with essential oils, and in here is the essential oils as well, with the sugar syrup and the sodium lactate. So that's lavender tea tree, beautiful combination. So we'll go ahead and blend everything in, and this recipe does move a little fast, so I will be very light on the blending after I add the lye solution in, because I know it's going to move quite fast. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour it off in the slab. It's a 3,500 or 3.5 kilo oil batch, and I'll get about 44 bars from this, and I'm cutting them at 2.5 centimeters. So I'll get 44 bars, which will fit in my nice small soap boxes. So the large soap boxes I have gotten rid of from my range, because a lot of the retailers that I wholesale to are saying that customers are wanting them to have those belly bands or cigar bands around them, because during COVID everyone was worried about touching just anything that's not packaged. So I put them in boxes. Now that the craze of COVID is over, now people want the cigar bands back, so I'm not doing the large soap boxes, but I'm still keeping the small ones around for facial bars and shampoo bars. I find them to be really good for those, but for body bars, because there's colours and swirls, whereas facial and shampoo bars there's no colours or swirls, there's no designs with them, whereas the body bars I do designs. So people want to actually see the product and pick it up and smell it, and it's aesthetically a lot more pleasing than soap boxes. So I'm very glad that I moved away from that. But for these bars, and I'll show you pictures how they're packaged, definitely going into those nice little cute soap boxes. So I'm going to quit yakking and go ahead and blend this up and do the lavender tea tree first, and I'm going to do the espresso, peppermint and rosemary second. All full details once again of the recipes in the description below, including all the additives like sodium gluconate and all that I had in my lye solution. So I'm going to quit my yakking and go ahead and make some shampoo bars.